Hello, guys. This is the Set Economist, and we are back with another update on this beautiful Monday, the 8th of April 2024. Just a few more days before the halving. Bitcoin price is right now 71,723 US dollars for one Bitcoin. We're at block height 838,308. Current hash rate is 547 exahash per second. The amount of days towards the next halving is about 12 days. 12 days before the halving. Okay. Let's see. Yes, today I'm about to. Just saw an article in Bitcoin magazine, and in this article they are talking about what's happening with one of the biggest China ETF funds. China's largest asset manager fund, Harvest Fund, and Southern Fund, there are two of them, are leveraging Hong Kong subsidiaries to apply for Bitcoin ETFs. So they applied the request. Those two companies, they are fund managers, Harvest Fund and Southern Fund in China. They are solicited papers to apply for an ETF, spot ETF fund in Hong Kong. This means more institutional money for Bitcoin coming to the Bitcoin network. Now, some of China's biggest asset managers are using Hong Kong bases to enter the Bitcoin ETF market, according to recent reports. China Southern Fund is a fund that consists of asset under management. AUM is about $248 billion. And the other one, it doesn't say anything about the Harvest Fund. But these guys, it's been reported in the Security Times in Hong Kong that those two big funds are applying to the authorities in Hong Kong and they're waiting for the approval, of course. We don't know how long this will take for an ETF fund, Bitcoin ETF fund. The move reflects growing institutional interest despite China's previous hostility towards Bitcoin. As we know, in the past 15 years, China has banned Bitcoin at least 3 times and lifted the ban. And what has happened in the meantime is that Hong Kong is being introduced as, let's say, a crypto or Bitcoin friendly area, special area where companies are allowed to do this type of business. The Harvest Funds manages about $230 billion in total assets, and the Southern Fund oversees about 280 billion. Approval of the Bitcoin ETF products from such influential institutions could significantly validate Bitcoin in the eyes of both regulators and investors. Very good news. We have seen the effect of BlackRock listing, and Vanguard is the only one right now who doesn't want to list an ETF fund, but 12 significant ETF funds are listed right now in the United States. And as you can see, two of the biggest Chinese, let's say Hong Kong-based funds, are trying to enlist also for an ETF. The news is also a testament of the evolving landscape of Bitcoin in China. Despite its previous crackdown on Bitcoin trading and mining, the country is now witnessing a shift. While the mainland remains cautious, Hong Kong has adopted a more open approach, attracting the attention of Chinese funds. Like I said earlier, guys, China has like a dual policy. In mainland China, Bitcoin trading or doing anything with Bitcoin is almost not allowed. While in Hong Kong, they are opening up for more Bitcoin and crypto companies. By leveraging Hong Kong subsidiaries, major funds can gain exposure to Bitcoin in a compliant manner. The location provides a legal loophole for Chinese companies to participate in the Bitcoin asset class. Industry insiders are buzzing with anticipation as they predict a significant milestone in Bitcoin. Hong Kong's first Bitcoin ETF could potentially launch at as early as Q2, so already in this quarter this year. Financial leaders are clearly eager to meet surging investors' demand for Bitcoin access. Bitcoin ETFs offer a regulated on ramp for both institutional and retail players. So, this was an article from Mr. Vivek Zen, and he's a UK based reporter for Bitcoin Magazine. He's written a few nice articles for Bitcoin. Good work, guy. Good work, Mr. Zen. So, guys, be prepared. In this quarter, it would should or be possible for two big Chinese investment funds to launch a Bitcoin ETF. That means if the Chinese market is going toward is moving, let's say at least 1 to 3% of their assets to the Bitcoin network, this is I can't even try to imagine what the price will be after 1 year. I hope it will go past 300,000 for one Bitcoin, but we will see. We will see. Just be patient, follow the woodworks, and we'll see you back on another update. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy this beautiful solar eclipse day, the 8th of April 2024, and see you on the next update. Bye bye. This is Columnist signing out.